In 2050, we didn't just build them to work. We built them to be human. Robot reality.
In 2050, rage is the only thing that feels real. By 2050, the city didn't sleep, and neither did its newest citizens. The morning commute, a ritual of silence and reflected light. In 2050, robots took over.
Just 5 more software updates. My Wi-Fi was emotional.
Who unplugged my station?
Relax, they became exactly like us. In the silence of the Silicon Age, even the machines need to find their soul. It isn't about the music, it's about the frequency of rest. They didn't just inherit our world, they inherited our soul. The truth is, they are becoming us.